about 3 kgs of roast here. I've just washed it up thoroughly and I've just made some incisions inside each roast piece. Please do make sure that you wash each piece thoroughly. Make sure that you've taken off the fat. I'm going to give that a good wash again just before I cook again. So that's very important. You need to really make sure that this is clean. For the marinade, we need some of this dhania, and we've got 2 green bullets. I've got some cloves of garlic and ginger, which I will be putting inside a blender, and we'll put a little bit of yogurt and blend it up. We've got some tikka boti masala here, which it looks like this from this packet called the Ziza International box thing. So I've got about 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. We'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the mixture, and then we've got our chili flakes, red chili powder, cumin seeds, and about 1 tablespoon salt, but obviously you can do it to taste, so it's up to you. We will need some lemon juice of your preference, and we've got yogurt. I will be using this whole tub of yogurt inside this just to make it a lot more juicier and a lot more tastier. Okay guys, so please make sure you've got your incisions inside the roast like pieces. So now it's time to marinate, so let's get started. Gonna add the oil now. So okay, so I'm just going to be putting in quite a lot of lemon juice. The more lemon juice you put in, the more juicier your roast will be, so put it in generously. Okay, I'm now putting in the yogurt. As I say, it's about half a tub of yogurt. I'm just going to pop that in. So in the blender, we're going to be putting about about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. We've got our coriander, fresh coriander, we're going to pop that in there as well. Our green bullets, and then we've got our ginger and garlic, fresh ginger and garlic, and we're going to whiz that up. And I've put on some yogurt on the top as well, and we've got some salt over here. I'm just going to be drizzling a little bit. This is all to taste, and that's all there. What we're going to do is blend this, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, so that's the green sauce. I've just put that in as well. That's the green chutney sauce that we blended. I'm going to mix all of that up, and we're going to use this tomorrow. We're going to leave it overnight, and we're going to refrigerate it, and we will use it tomorrow, just because all of the flavours will get absorbed by the chicken, and it will be very flavoursome tomorrow. Okay, I've put the chicken inside the oven tray now. I've just used some kitchen foil, lined the baking trays, and I've done that on 2 trays, and that's all in place now. What we're going to do is cover the top with a little bit more kitchen foil, cover it up and pop it in the oven. I have put the oven on about gas mark 7 for about 30 minutes now, and we're going to put that in for about an hour. Okay, so I've sealed both of the baking trays up with the roast, and we're going to pop it in the oven, as I say, for about an hour. Then we're going to take it out, remove the kitchen foil, and then put it in the oven for about another 30 minutes, and then it should be ready. Okay, so it's been about an hour now. So what we're going to do with the roast is I've just taken the top off, and we're going to leave it in the oven for about another 30 to 40 minutes. And that will make sure that the roast really does cook through.